Okay, so this is day 4 of hunting the big stuff. I've got to a point of desperation. I've worked all the way up a river and I'm back at a patch that I have found gold in before. I found gold here before and I'm just going to start hammering through as many as I can before the sun sets. You can see where I have both cameras. That'll work for the background. So let's just crack on with it. I'm just going to start working through this gravel, get as many pans as done as I can before the sunset. Let's just crack on with it. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, so this is the dirt here. It's kind of hard to see where the lower level is. It's hard to know. It's just going to be random. Going to be anywhere. So if I dig into the ground, I want to try and find some dark material. It scooped out and was wet. That's the only reason that's dark. I'm going to try somewhere down here maybe. Maybe the smaller, lighter gravels would have gotten down here. Ah yeah, look at this. Look. The rocks are a lot smaller up here. Maybe the good stuff is in there. Cool. So I didn't bring the bucket with me. I just brought this setup here. Let's get down the river, get this pan done before the sun sets. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, so this is the stuff I'm going to work. I got the camera there, nice and lopsided. Don't be surprised if that camera falls over midway through the shot and I have to run and grab it. But that'd be spectacular, but I prefer not to do it. I thought about bringing water over in the pan, but that'd work if I had a bucket, but not a pan. So you can see where the material here is very rich in clay. I've got a lot of iron running through it. Look at all the material there. A lovely colour. Okay, so let's have a quick look here. Wash this on back. Hoping I find gold, as this will end the dry spell of no gold whatsoever. Okay, we get on. We've got black sand, which I knew we'd find anyway. Nope, pyrite. Oh, that's so annoying. Right, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring, what I'm going to do is going to bring the classifier and pan over with water in it, or water in the circuit draw, and just screen stuff over there. Right, let's just crack on with that. Let's go find some shiny. Any shiny will do. I usually say let's go find a shiny, let's go find any shiny. Let's go find some shiny. Anything will do me at this stage. Well, I'm going to try my best to get this water to where I'm digging without spilling it. If needs be, I can use the sucker tube just to simply carry water over to here, but I need to dig somewhere else. Ooh, hello. Look at this. Compacted clay material. That might have a better chance. Oh, I like that. Look at the iron in that. That's at the bottom of the river. Grab one more quick scoop. Look, nice flat piece of shale there. So the advantage of having water here is now it's a lot faster to screen it. Have we room in there? No. Nice full pan. Right. I'll tip out some water now because we don't need it at this point. Okay, let's have a look at this one. See how we get on. Black sand, a lot of pyrite. Gold! Finally! I'm going to show you that head mount. I'm not going to be bothered picking that up because it's only tiny. Okay, so we finally found gold. Happy days. I'll do one more test pan out of that spot we dug gold a minute ago, and after that then we'll pack up. But at least now we know where the gold is. That's only one piece of gold. I'm not setting up a sluice box until I find more of that, but that's a good indicator. So just gonna do one more quick test pan of that. I'm not even gonna bring water over to it. Just gonna shovel into it, bring it down here, screen it, run it through, and if we find gold in it, happy days. Right, let's just crack on with that. Let's go find more shiny. We finally found some. Now we can say more shiny. Let's go find more shiny. Okay, so this is the last pan. It's getting dark now, so it's definitely gonna be the last pan. I worked out the same patch of ground I was on earlier. So I need to come up with a way of working that gravel. You're not allowed to use a pump. There's not enough drop for a gravity fed system. I may go with the option where I fill a bucket with water and let that kind of drain out at a certain flow rate. I don't know, I'll figure it out. We'll just see how much gold is in this next pan, and that'll tell us whether we're really on the good stuff or not. But I dug out of exactly the same patch where I got the last pan that actually delivered some gold. And by the way, I've washed that gold out. I didn't want it interfering with this sample. There's only a small speck. Small specks are great, but I want to find the big stuff. There's always black sand in here, I can see it already. Now, is there any gold in here? Nice big lump of gold to do me. Oh, I hate that. Flash in the pan. Thought we were on big gold there. Micro. And another micro. Okay, so this is the section I was digging from. So I took samples from both sections for the first pan and both sections for the second pan. I'd say it's a case of this iron material where you have all these compact, these bigger rocks. Where all this iron material is, probably where the gold is. Okay, so we didn't find a whole lot of gold, but we found some gold. Some gold better than no gold. Maybe only one speck, but at least it proves the ground that this spot here has gold from here, and upstream where I was, no gold. So it's probably just due to the elevation. Hope you've enjoyed this mini series of 4 days, one river, looking for the big stuff. If you enjoyed this mini series, chances are you like the videos I've previously posted and the ones I'll be posting in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until I catch you next one. Can I go find more shiny? Bye bye.